Yo, what's good? It's your bro Low, and I'm bringing you guys another saucy trading video. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, y'all. Hey, listen, I'm gonna make this a little quick video. You feel me? Give y'all a little bit of my emotions and shit. You feel me? But basically, I had just recently got stopped out twice. Right? I got stopped out twice. Down 600 for the day. You feel me? And I just want to go over. This is where you have to kind of like take it to the chin. You feel me? Because I had the thought process of like, after I got stopped out the second time, I had that feeling like, oh, I want to enter again. I want to make that shit back. I want to, you know what I mean? But like, whole time, that's just a path to me tilting and blowing all the progress that I made on this account. You feel me? Why let one day or one losing day, right, blow up the whole thing? You know what I'm saying? That's something that we do as traders. We allow one bad day to just end it all. You know what I mean? When you have to kind of like just stay in the game and keep sticking to the process, keep taking the same trades over and over. You know what I mean? And I just wanted to give y'all my raw emotion because this is right after I'm making this right after I got stopped, almost right after I got stopped out. You feel me, for the second trade. Now let's go over the trade that I took. Dollar, right? Dollar's going higher. EU's going lower, right, towards the previous weekly low. Now, I was thinking that GU was going to be bullish today, only because we took out the previous daily low, and we took out the previous weekly low, and we're already at a discount, right? And then once we took out those lows, right, if you go to the 15-minute time frame, you can see that as soon as we snatched that low, we had a displacement higher. And now, after I see that, automatically, I'm looking at Asia. I'm like, okay, can we reach up to Asia? You feel me? They didn't want to reach to Asia. We came back down, use this. This was a okay entry, but I wasn't very confident until I started to see price expand towards above this up close candle right here, because this is all the consolidation. So I'm thinking that this was going to be left as a breakaway gap. So what I did was I entered there, put my stop below, was risking about $375 to get up to that Asia high, and then maybe that 4-hour fair value gap, which is up here, right? So I'm thinking, okay, maybe external to internal, and then we continue lower. No, whole time this is just a market maker sell model. It's most likely going to continue to these lows. You know what I mean? And I'm just wrong for the day. You know what I'm saying? And that's okay, right? But I entered here. That was the first trade. Knocked me out. It kept holding this down close candle right here. I was thinking that this was an order block, that this was going to hold price to continue higher, get up to that Asia high, and then boom, right? No, it came back, stopped me out, all right? But as soon as we hit this, I'm like, okay, maybe I just got in too early, right? Maybe I just got in too early, right? So what I did was, as soon as I seen this, how it was rejecting off of this, I just went in again, put my stop right under here, right under there, this FEG right here, a little bit. I moved it a little bit more, right, and then was just aiming for this high, make it back. Maybe I make what I lost back plus more, right? Only risking like $220 or some shit, right? As you can see, that shit didn't work. It didn't work out, right? And you know, it sucks to be a loser. It sucks to lose, but you gotta be able to lose before you win. You gotta be able to learn how to be a good loser. You know what I'm saying? And not let one day burn you out. Even if tomorrow, right? Let's say if I was to take the loss tomorrow, not let that tomorrow burn me out, because you can always have a bad month, right? And make everything back the next month. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't know. I just wanted to talk a little bit about psychology, my emotions, how I felt after this trade, and maybe you guys can learn a little something from how I'm feeling, from how I wanted to re-enter. Like, imagine if I were to re-enter it again, right? Let's say if I were to re-enter this, right, and that shit comes and stops me out. That'd be what, almost what, $900 now? Now in your mind it's like, okay, now I'm down $900. I need to make that back. Like, I'm gonna be down for I'm down for the day. Now when I come back, let's say next week or during the rest of this week. Now I have to try to make all that back this week. Like, you putting that in your mind, you're already thinking ahead. You know what I'm saying? Instead of just the now. What's now, right? What's now? Okay, I took the loss. Let me take that loss. Boom, come back, right? Then tomorrow, don't even focus on what happened right here or what I lost today, because the equity curve is gonna continuously go up as long as I just come and stick to my process, bruh. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to make that quick video. Yeah, I got stopped out today. It's a Monday. I'm not most likely not going to trade until Thursday, because tomorrow you have high impact news, and then Wednesday you have FOMC, Fed interest rate decision. So maybe tomorrow might be nasty and choppy and shit, and then Wednesday I'm not trading because it's FOMC. You feel me? So Thursday most likely I'm gonna trade, and then Friday, if Thursday's a good day, then I'll come Friday to trade. So I already got it planned out what I'm gonna do. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm not gonna let this week blow me up. I'm gonna allow myself to be patient. I don't feel like I have to force anything or chase anything right now. You feel me? I took my loss. I just got over the loss now just from talking over it. You feel me? I got over it. You just need to get over yourself. Just get over it. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's a loss. So that's what I'm working on. That's why I'm gonna continue. That's why I blew up my other accounts. Now I have to practice my discipline right here. You feel me? And I wanna give it to you straight, like me doing it right here, right now. You feel me? So no, not re-entering this trade, even though it could go higher. I can see it going higher, right? That Asia high looks juicy, but it might hit it. It might not. I don't know. I don't care. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button. If you're new to the channel, sub to the motherfucking channel. You know what I'm saying? I'll see you guys next time.